Menteri Ketenaga Kerja Jelau Timothy di Sirau Ong bagi Nongrep hakaruhis kim jup dan kam Sboh Dawai yak jingtung handai tang hakatan madan ni plain bel ya kene ong haba jubab yak jingkeli hapok iding doba tau an mentagasngi bawanda adon me Nongrem uba aden mila besai mat Menteri wa pentip ba ketenat kadon sispa ap kendai ngut ki inspektor ki bajulek jurip man kepor gidukan di Sboh Dawai balada kinongrep kilap bade tam me kador kidai ban ujo sekenat ban simkam haju kepor pentip ro bagi don deputli kinong di Sboh Dawai ba itu kesoka jela hol kejing bano ba Ardent ba kinongrep kisya Khnoit ha kador he ya kasbo Umitang ba ukonat kisang mawayang ban pentip ba kesoka ka anyarap aspa repru tengka na kandai spa yak Sboh Dawai yuria siberni bat saus pa tengka siberni yak Sboh SSP ni singke super phosphate na ka khat aspa tengka haka juk pol kondal ong baka perthai bat ka ribro kawai kala pai khmat sia ka Sboh mariang bat nakani ka daw ka soka jela kala penting bat perking teng ban pendon kam dak Sboh Dawai nama baka penjot ya kemariang bat kumju ya ka jingkhia bat ka soka ka pensilul ban pendon kam no dak Sboh mariang halo ke jingkeli berap UMLE misanu kasi ukonda long baka soka ka perking ya jingwan Dawai Sboh sikani jela bat kala pensil ki nong da penun kam ba di Sboh mariang bat wok ong bah kini kediat snem ka mekhaya kan spawnam gum kawai ne jela ba penmi ya ki marep ki ba penun kam tang da Sboh mariang
So, okay, so in that case, I can tell you now, the existing rate for Shillong is 5,136 per metric ton, and subsidized rate is 4,061 rupees. Retail price 5,860. Then subsidized rate is per bag is 266 rupees.
Per bag.
Per bag, yeah.
So because I had come across one
taken to protect the farmers from market exploitation. The fertilizers are sold only there are these fertilizer inspectors. They very often they go to the retailers and they check the price, and all the retailers are mandatory to display the present rate, and beyond which they are not allowed to sell. So they have to sell at a rate fixed by the government. That is very, very mandatory for each retailer. Perhaps the one you have, maybe it is through the black marketing, the price they have charged, but there is no such scope for black marketing also, because every now and then the fertilizer inspector, they go and check. There are numbers of fertilizer inspectors altogether in the whole state. 109 inspectors are there. 129 numbers of inspectors are there. So plenty of inspectors are there. They are very regular in checking. They go to every retailer, and so there is no such. And moreover, when they sell the fertilizer, it is mandatory that they should upload in the integrated fertilizers management system also. So this can be tracked. If any 1 kg or 2 kg or even 1 bag is sold in the black market, that can be traced.
So the urea price per bag is 266 and the SSP rate is 800 rupees per bag. And the honorable member just mentioned that was 900 is in the market. So there could be black market rates going on because these are all controlled products. That means there are certain sanctions and certain release that is given by Government of India for our state through IFCO. So therefore, since it's a controlled quantity with a specific controlled price, there are situations where certain individuals may try to take advantage. But as mentioned by Honorable Minister, that continuous checking is done, continuous monitoring is done. Wherever we find that there is any kind of black marketing activities, action is taken, sir. But as I said, I wanted to clarify that it's 800 and 900. Honorable Minister was referring to urea, which is 266. So there's a difference of 100 rupees was there.
Sir. Speaker, sir, I apologize for my mistake.
It's okay, no problem, sir. You need not to apologize, it's okay, sir. Sir, in that case, may I know whether that 800 is a maximum retail price or a subsidized price, sir?
Speaker, sir, that is a subsidized rate. Subsidized rate.
So, may I know what is the maximum retail price? Market.
So the subsidy that we provide is 25% for SSP. So if it's 800, sir, it's about 1200 is the price.
So another question I would like to know from the Honorable Minister. What measures will the government take in case they find out that the retailers or the suppliers, I mean to say that the wholesalers, they are hoarding the fertilizers? What steps will be taken in case of the hoarding of fertilizers?
Speaker, sir, the action will be taken according to the law. The law will take its own course. If anybody is found black marketing or selling the fertilizer beyond the price fixed by the government, he is punishable.
So I think what
Director of Agriculture, Director of Horticulture themselves, they are the inspectors. So they can check. In addition to the other inspectors below their rank, this Director of Agriculture and Director of Horticulture, they can go. They can do the random checking and they can detect any, if they detect any illegal selling, then they can bring it to the notice of the government and they can take the legal action.
To the Honorable Minister's answer. So yes, surprise checks are done, number one. Number two, approximately 1,432 such surprise checks have been done, 1,432. And if anybody is found to be doing anything that is not as per the rules, their license is bound to be cancelled.